this next function, we will use this formula of derivative of x, f times g plus f times the derivative of g. Let's say this is our f and this is our g. So derivative of x, derivative of this function is, we will use the chain rule. So now in this formula, we will use the, after this using formula, we will use the chain rule. So the derivative of f is, we will use the chain formula, which is negative 1 times 2x minus 5 raised to the power of negative 2 times the derivative of this function, 2 multiplied by g. Our g is 4x plus 3 raised to negative, to the power of negative 2, plus the f, for f is 2x minus 5 raised to the power of negative 1 multiplied by the derivative of g, which is, using the chain rule, negative 2, place the negative 2 times 4x plus 3 raised to the power of negative 3. So to simplify this expression, we need to multiply this negative 1 value times 2 to get negative 2 times 2x minus 5 raised to the power of negative 2. Then this one also, negative 2 times 4, you get the negative 8 times 4x plus 3 raised to the power of 3. So by using of a scientific calculator to simplify this function, we will get the 34 minus 24x over 2x minus 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3 raised to the power of 3. If we use scientific calculator, we can get this answer, but if we don't use, we'll still get this simplified form. So last and final function, which is f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 over 3x squared plus x minus 3 is to the power of 3. So we will use the chain rule in finding the derivative of this function. So by using the chain rule, we will get the 3 times the g of x, or g of x, 2x minus 1 over 3x squared plus x minus 2 raised to the power of 2 using the power rule. So to get this expression, we will use this formula to find this expression. So our v is this, the denominator, and our u is the numerator. So just substitute v, our v is 3x squared times the derivative of u, 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus u, 2x minus 1 times the derivative of v, 3x, which is 6x plus 1. So then we multiply this value here and here to get our expression, and multiply it by 3, and also the denominator, since we have the same denominator, we just multiply the denominator and multiply the exponent. So we get the derivative of x is equal to negative 72 x fourth plus 144x cubed minus 126x squared minus 54x minus 9 over the 3x squared plus x minus 2x raised to the power of 4.